Welcome to Pipermind CRM, the smarter way to manage your sales pipeline and grow your business faster. Let's start with contacts. Easily add, import, and manage every customer or lead in one place. View full customer profiles, track activity, and never lose touch with smart contact tagging and filters. Next up, companies. Automatically link contacts to their organizations. Get a bird's-eye view of all interactions, deals, and notes tied to each company, helping your team stay aligned and informed. Now, let's talk about deals. Pipermind gives you a visual sales pipeline to track every opportunity stage by stage. Drag and drop deals, assign team members, set targets, and monitor progress in real time. With Conversations, all communication with leads and customers is centralized, including emails, notes, and call logs. Say goodbye to scattered threads and hello to seamless collaboration. Connect your email and engage leads directly from Pipermind. Send, receive, and track emails without switching tools. Complete with open tracking and templated responses to save you time. Schedule meetings effortlessly with built-in calendar sync. Share your availability, book client calls, and log outcomes, so your entire team stays on the same page. Easily manage your products and pricing. Attach products to deals, generate quotes, and keep your sales offerings organized. Ideal for growing teams and scalable selling. With Pipermind CRM, you get everything you need to close deals faster. Contacts, companies, deals, emails, meetings, and more in one simple, powerful platform. Get Pipermind CRM Lifetime Deal. Your sales streamlined.